Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to be showing you why most of your supply and demand zones fail. Okay, many of you draw supply and demand zones. Some of them work and some of them don't work. And the reason why most of your supply and demand zones don't work is because you are choosing them wrongly. I've always told my mentees that if they want to draw a zone, be it a supply zone or a demand zone, do not trade from a zone that does not lead to a BOS. Okay, your zone must lead to a break of structure. If it does not lead to a break of structure, what you're drawing is not going to work for you. Okay, so your zone should always lead to a break of structure. That's what makes your zone very, very strong. Okay, among other things, there are other secrets to it. Okay, but the major one I want to talk about in this particular video is that your zone should always lead to a break of structure. So if you're looking to actually enter a buy trade, all right, and you've marked out your zone, okay, from that zone there should be a break of structure. The aggressive candles that move away from that zone should break structure. All right, if they don't break structure, no matter how aggressive it is, you are not trading from a very solid zone. Okay, so the reason why I'm taking time to explain this is most people see a supply zone as a zone where a lot of selling was actually activated at. Okay, so if they just see a zone that a lot of selling took place from, they believe it's definitely a supply zone, then they trade from it. No, it doesn't work that way. Some people see a demand zone as a zone where a lot of buying took place from. It makes sense, but it's not yet, the sense is not complete. The sense it is making is not complete. Let me put it that way. Okay, so when it's going to make a complete sense is if a lot of buying or selling was done from the zone and that buying and selling led to a break of structure. You understand? So everything has to be on the table before you actually take such trades. So as usual, I'm going to give you some examples now. Look at this. So this is looking like a rally based drop, right? So someone will want to trade with this zone, but that's absolute nonsense. Okay, so you can't trade from this zone. This is looking like a supply zone, and a lot of traders will want to trade from this, but smart traders, okay, won't trade from that zone. Why will I not trade from this zone? For example, I wouldn't trade from this zone. Truly, a lot of selling took place from there, but no break of structure. Assuming it broke this structure, it's displaced to the point that it broke this low, then I'm going to be interested in taking a trade from this zone. But with my knowledge now, I cannot take a trade from this zone. But let's just mark out let's mark out the last bullish candle from that zone. Okay, let's just mark out the last bullish candle from that particular zone. So this is the last bullish candle from the zone. So I want to mark out the high and the low of that candle, and let's see how it's going to play out when price returns to that level. Okay, I want to delete this order line so it doesn't confuse us. Okay, so we are looking to trade from that zone, right? So see what's going to happen when price gets back to the zone. Look at that. So price pierced through the zone as if it does not exist. Absolute disrespect. So all the traders that have actually placed a sell order here, you can see there's no way your stop loss can be this big. So definitely the stop loss is going to get triggered. And guess what? After triggering the stop loss and taking people out, price still came lower. Okay, so you actually have to be absolutely smart when you're choosing your zone. Okay, so that's the wrong zone to trade from. So let's look at this one. Let's take a look at this example right here. What do you see happening here? Selling actually took place from here, right? We had selling from here and structure was broken. So this, it makes absolute sense to actually trade from this particular zone, okay, because structure was broken. So this is a zone I would have traded from. So all you just need to do is mark out the last bullish candle right there. So this is a good zone to trade from, and you can see what happened. Price did what? Price came back there and gave us an opportunity to actually sell. and it played out perfectly. So I'm just giving you this detail so you know why your zones are not working and why some are working. Okay, so there's a reason behind it, and that's what I'm exposing in this video. If you're getting any value, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. So this is another example right here, aggressive selling from here. But the aggressive selling is not the reason why I'm going to trade from here. It has to break a structure for me, and that's what it did right here. So it makes sense. So I'll just mark out the last bullish candle right there like this. Okay, so when price returns here, I'm looking to trade from here and see what do you see playing out. Price returned there and gave us a nice sell trade. All right, so basically I hope you've learned a thing or two from this particular video. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.